People can quickly call skilled workers for whatever furniture or utilities in the house that need repairing. However, it can cause you so much inconvenience when you cannot find the right person for the job for some reason. With most people busy with their own lives, you cannot easily disturb others, even your friends, to check the leaking kitchen sink, for example. These instances require you to do these repairs and projects by yourself. Whether you love doing do-it-yourself projects or you cannot seem to find a repairman to do the minor house repairs, you need your toolset to do these. With all the tools you need inside a box, you can fix whatever needs fixing. If you also feel like executing some ideas for a project, having the right tools will make the process easier. Preparing all that you need beforehand will save you from so much hassle. Let's begin with the first product. The first toolset comes from Stalwart. This wrench set contains 40 pieces of ratcheting sockets. With this set of metric wrenches, you can fasten or secure with this tool any nuts and bolts for your furniture and machines. This toolset contains both Society of Automotive Engineers sockets and the typical metric sockets. You can do the tinkering both with American-made vehicles and other machines that you own at home. So you can confidently do your repairs and projects without worrying about having the right tools. Specifically, this toolset includes 3/8-inch spin disc, metric ratcheting sockets, Society of Automotive Engineer ratcheting sockets, 1/4-inch drive adapter, 3 inches long 3/8 drive extension bar, a spark plug socket, a 6 inches long 1/4 drive spinner handle, and 7 inches long 3/8 drive ratchet. When working with heated surfaces, the insulated handle protects you from possible burn injuries. The ratcheting torque handle also allows for more comfortable handling, so you can exert minimal force for the job. Its 6-point grip design also secures bolt heads from any rounding and slippage. If you do your vehicle's repairs and maintenance at home, this toolset contains both 3/8-inch and 1/4-inch drive shaft sockets for that stuff. You can do the assembling of screws from the wheel casing on its transmission side. With the tools made up of plastic, drop-forged steel, and chrome vanadium plating, you can also do heavy tasks with them. You can also secure them inside its hard plastic case for easy storage. If you want a toolset for automobile-related repairs and maintenance, this product suits you well. The second toolset comes from Hyper Tough. This toolset contains 116 pieces necessary for a variety of house repairs. Its well-rounded contents will help you in doing various projects by yourself. This toolset's manufacturers wanted to provide consumers with something comprehensive enough for any situation. People cannot predict what or when repairs will happen all the time. Keeping all the essential tools with you can make sure that you're prepared for any and all eventualities. The manufacturers greatly recommend this product for house projects and repairs. With this toolset focused more on being generalist, consumers can rely on it for more straightforward tasks. For example, this set contains what you need for those machines that require manual assembling. Its blow-molded case gives all its pieces a sturdy container that can stand daily wear and tear. Its latch firmly closes the case for securely keeping every detail in place while you move around carrying it. It offers users both versatility and convenience. This toolset contains bit drivers, diagonal pliers, long nose pliers, an adjustable wrench, a measuring tape, and a precision screwdriver. It also has a bit holder, hex key wrenches, a claw hammer, an extension bar, a ratchet handle, and various sockets. If you want to give some first homeowners a gift, this toolset will significantly help them. If the repairman cannot do their job, having your toolset will save you. With its compact case, you can even bring this toolset anywhere, like in the trunk of your car. So, still haven't found the toolset for you? Well, there are still 3 more items on this list, so you might want to hold off on your decision making. If you plan to make other purchases, we have more lists here that might help you narrow down your options. Subscribe now to this channel and click that bell icon to get all the community's newest updates. Let's continue. The third toolset still comes from HyperTough. It contains 89 pieces necessary for household repairs. These everyday tools will help you with those minor repairs at home. Manufacturers behind this toolset focused more on versatility with this product. They wanted to give their customers something that can help them with general household projects. The tools in this set will help people with those projects that do not require extensive technical skills. Unlike the other products in this list, a 12-pocket zip-up tool bag contains this toolset entirely. This design makes it better suited for hand carrying since it weighs less than your typical toolbox. For repairers who move around a lot, this toolset works well for doing those light repairs. It contains the following tools: fastener set, putty knife, Society of Automotive Engineer and metric hex keys, tape measure, magnetic torpedo level, claw hammer, adjustable wrench, slip joint pliers, mini diagonal pliers, long nose pliers, spring clamps, precision screwdrivers, adapter, various bits, and magnetic bit driver. Carbon steel makes up these tools, and this material resists both corrosion and rust. The manufacturers ensure that their products will last longer and sustain regular usage. They also assure the users that these tools will not break even in their first usage. For more straightforward home projects and repairs, this toolset can hold its own. You will find everything you need for those minor repairs, such as fixing those light fixtures and plumbing issues. You can buy one for your teens or kids who show interest in do-it-yourself projects. The fourth toolset on this list comes from STANLEY. This set contains 69 pieces of sockets. It can help you with the usual usage for home and automotive repairs and maintenance. Aside from giving it a cool look, the black chrome finish on each piece helps resist corrosion. This layer of protection helps prolong this product's lifespan, so you can still enjoy using it for a longer time. You can also easily recognize each piece's size since laser-etched markings give you a clear description of each piece. Features like a reverse mechanism and a quick release switch enable a smooth usage. These properties help you do those projects quickly. The knurled handle for each piece prevents slippage from happening to avoid accidents and injuries. This feature helps in maintaining safety in the workshop and at home. Even with the less experienced users, they can safely use this product in doing projects. This toolset contains a 3/8" drive extension bar, a 1/4" drive extension bar, a 5/8" drive spark plug socket, and a 13/16" drive spark plug socket. It also has a 1/4" drive pair head ratchet, a 3/8" drive pair head ratchet, a 1/4" drive socket, and a 3/8" drive socket. These are some things you'll need for those automobile repairs. The manufacturers ensured that this product met and exceeded the American National Standards Institute. These standards mean that you get a reliable toolset for your work or for your hobby in purchasing this product. When considering what to buy for a toolset in automobile works, you should get this one. So, do you have any comments on this video? Write them down below and let us hear about what you have in mind. We want to know your suggestions to improve our content. Your ideas will undoubtedly contribute to the continuous growth of this channel. So let's head to the last item on this list. If you haven't considered the first 4 products, then this might be the one. The 5th toolset comes from Hart. This product is a must-have for mechanics. Of all the toolsets in this list, this contains the most significant number of sockets and drive tools. It has 215 pieces, all in all. With this vast number of tools, you have everything you need for the repairs and maintenance at home or in the garage. Whether you want the metric ones or those that follow the Society of Automotive Engineers standards, this toolset can give both. It boasts a 90-tooth ratchet that can give you access to tight spaces so that you can do the task thoroughly. Moreover, it also includes a reverse switch lever that allows you to change working directions with your hand. This chrome finished part allows it to resist rust. This property also helps in quickly identifying each piece with the visible markings. In this way, you can do your task quickly and efficiently without much difficulty in retrieving what you need. This toolset contains the following: screwdriver, 12-point sockets, 6-point sockets, insertion bits, short arm hex keys, drive sockets, deep well sockets, drive star bit sockets, drive combo star bits, hex bit sockets, drive universal joints, drive drill adapter, drive bit adapter, and drive extension. The durable case can accommodate more space for additional tools the user might need for the job. It has barrel hinges and metal latches to keep everything intact while in transit securely. You need to get this one if you do a lot of automotive work. And that's a wrap on today's list. Whichever you opt to get based on your needs and preferences, we hope to get all the bases covered concerning toolsets. We also hope that the list pointed you in the right direction. Did you find anything that you might like? If so, you can check out the description below for more information about these products and some offers you wouldn't want to miss. If you think we forgot to include important information in this product review, give us a heads up in the comments section. Our research team will work their best to provide you with a fair and square product review. Finally, click the bell icon before you leave for quick updates from the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.